everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. If you do not know me, my name is Latera Ware. I'm a multimedia content creator here on the tube, on various platforms on the internet. As you can see next to me, I have all my Christmas gifts that I have not wrapped yet, and today's the 22nd, so we're making and uploading this video because I really need the extra motivation and the extra strength to pull myself together to get this done. In today's episode of Vlogmas, we are just gonna be chit-chatting and wrapping gifts to put under our tree. If you like this video, if you like videos like this, if you wanna see more of my face, see more of me across your internet, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. Be part of the village, be part of the family. And if you wanna stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked in the description down below. So as far as things to gift wrap, I picked up some bags, like gift bag. I'm wrapping my gifts as well as some of my Amy's gifts for my little niece. So I picked up various like gift bags, scissors. These are literally just kitchen scissors. Some tissue paper, little bows, tape, of course. I got some wrapping paper. This is the Grinch wrapping paper. It's like birds and mist. Lastly, I picked up this really cute Santa and reindeer like white and red paper. I'm not the best gift wrapper or anything, so anyway. And then I also picked up various things of like ribbon to put on the gifts also. When I was at TJ Maxx, they had these Christmas sacks, and I'm going to be putting gifts in it. You guys know I love Christmas, right? And I think a part of loving Christmas is just like a love language of mine truly is gift giving. Doing stuff like this can be like a little extra. I'm gonna do my best to only show gifts that like I can show. I got some little outfits. Giving gifts is just such a fun little way to do things, you know? Like it's just very funsy feeling, and I think for me it's just a way to show my love and appreciation for people that I care about a lot. Why not give y'all everything, right? I really like watching people open gifts, and I think a lot of that stems from like being a kid. I think I would always get so excited to open gifts that people got me just because I like wanted to see the stuff, you know? And as you get older, oh my gosh, I got my niece this little coloring book. Look at that, so cute. Anyway, as you get older though, for real, it kind of in a way just feels like you don't have as much excitement. It's not this big yet, but anyway. And I really want that same kind of excitement, you know what I mean? Like, I really want to be able to provide that same excitement for other people in my life. Just because I honestly feel like everyone doesn't get as much time to celebrate themselves sometimes and celebrate like small wins. And I just think that life is really short. I like going out to celebrate because I did well. It's just really fun, cutesy little things. And I think that you should celebrate yourself as well as you should celebrate people. And I think that I celebrate myself a lot personally. And because I do that, I always want to make sure that I'm also celebrating others around me too. I have 2 packages that I just haven't gotten around to getting the stuff out of. I did my hair. Oh my gosh, y'all, let me tell you. So the mini twist, or the 4th video of Vlogmas was the last time that I've done my hair, right? And yeah, and that video came out way before the 4th video. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was pre-filmed, I think at least like 2 weeks ahead of time. Oh my gosh, guys. So I'm one of these head asses, but I got my my mom's dog these 2 plushies. Look at how cute they are. And because of that, I haven't washed my hair. And then my hair has been out for a week. And what is it called? My hair has been out for a week. And it's just, she's going through it. She's dry, brittle, not actually brittle, but that's how it feels for real. And I just kind of been doing space buns to keep it at bay, but like, oh my gosh, she needs some help. So I'm gonna try to be real with myself, and I really needed to do my hair. So I spent the first like I spent the first 4 hours of my day today, 5 hours of my day, maybe 4.5, like washing my hair really good, cleaning my scalp really well, and then I twisted that boy on up. I think I'm gonna have to go get more gift bags, low-key. I had to make a choice, girl. I had to choose me. I had to choose to wash this damn hair. So I finally washed my hair. All is well. All in the world that is well. You know what I'm saying? And usually I don't like to let my hair get like that because I wash it weekly. I've been trying to like do mini twists and protective styles like I told y'all though. So I didn't. But yeah, this month that's just a thing. But usually I definitely like to make sure that I usually like to make sure that my hair is like washed and, you know, stable. Also, I definitely did not abandon my home renovation series. It kind of looks like that. I was thinking about that the other day. The way that I was making videos and just stopped, it looked like I abandoned it or something. And trust, that's not the case. Not the case at all. I don't want to be posting like a crazy amount of stuff and then yeah, just have so much content going up all at one time or whatever. So just know that. How has y'all's holidays been? I haven't heard a lot of chatter in the ether from anybody, like not too many people. Oh my god, y'all. Okay, first box done. I moved the angle so you guys can see the wrapping a little bit more. When I wrap, I like to make sure it's on a smooth floor. Y'all, how has y'all's holiday season been for real? Have y'all been up to anything? Have any cool life things happened or whatever? For me, there's been nothing like super crazy for real happening. I saw this thing, instead of putting the gift flat like this, you turn it sideways to make it easier. So I'm gonna try that. I started watching Stranger Things. That whole banger. I wasn't really into it. I feel like when everybody else was super into it because I didn't get the hype. Not for real at least. And I get the hype. Like, it shot so well. If you guys also listen or watch the pod, I think that I'm gonna make that my what is it called? My what we watching this week, because y'all, why is the story of my life? I just had the tape. Literally just had the tape. Not lie to you, I think that it is such a banger. Like, such a banger. Wait a minute. Hold on. This don't. I think Stranger Things is quite the Busan banger. The series finale is gonna drop, and I would like to partake. Also, y'all, I am almost done with Scandal. I feel like I didn't watch no Christmas movies for real this holiday season, but I was binging TV. And you know, if you know me, that's never an issue. If you guys are watching anything too, always feel free to drop it in the comments. I'm a big TV watcher. Like, I know I say that and some people think I just mean, you know, whatever kind of TV. Like, No, I'm a big TV watcher. The person who this gift is for is not gonna judge me for the way it's wrapped. And they know I love them deeply because this is not wrapped great. I don't know how the hell that would be did that on the video. But anyway. With Christmas coming up and wrapping gifts, what did y'all want for Christmas? Did you guys want anything super specific? I already talked to y'all about this 1,010 times, but I did not know what I wanted, so I didn't know what to tell people what I wanted for Christmas, for real. And I appreciate everybody for doing their best and for trying. Are y'all like more tech-like people? Are you like, you like to listen to music a lot maybe, so you wanted some headphones type? Like, random question. Who do y'all think is like the hardest person to shop for? I'm very interested. I think for me, the hardest people to shop for are always my parents, because I'd be having the slightest of clues what to get them. And I want to know if everyone has a person that is like super hard for you to shop for, or y'all think that just, in general, or... Okay. First gift down. Oh, here they are. You also need a pack of these to and from labels. I'm gonna put a bow on the top. Sometimes I feel like Christmas stuff be so unnecessarily complicated. Isn't it so cute? Now I'm gonna get a little more into the wrapping because I can't show y'all all the presents. So I'm gonna wrap some of them and then come back to y'all at the end. Well, everyone, I got all of my gifts wrapped. I need to go pick up some gift bags still for just some extra stuff. That is everything. Thank you guys so much for joining me on today's episode of Vlogmas. And with all that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.